Parr Lumber Company is a locally owned family business that's been supplying building materials to homeowners and professional contractors in the Pacific Northwest since 1930. We operate out of 34 facilities, 22 lumber yards, 3 cabinet design centers, and 9 other locations that are dedicated to supplying doors, windows, and trusses. Parr Lumber is the 16th largest building material supplier in the nation, offering materials for new construction, whether you're building a home or remodeling an old one, everything you need from lumber to siding, doors, windows, tools, and more. Also supply materials for outdoor living spaces like patios, decks, and fences. We'll help with the material list for your project, provide a detailed quote, and then deliver the material right to your property. Our team members at Parr Lumber average 8 years tenure with the company and are excellent relationship builders. It's the kind of commitment between supplier and builder that results in a successful partnership like the one we have with Mountainwood Homes. We've actually been partnering with Mountainwood Homes for over 10 years, and we're very proud to be a part of the beautiful homes that they build. The tenure of our employees and the longevity of those relationships keep us competitive and allow us to provide the level of customer service that makes us proud to be the building material supplier of choice in the Pacific Northwest.